How to log in Axis Bank credit card accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in Axis Bank Login. Then you will see Internet Banking getting started on the first search result. Tap open that link, then tap on to Login. You will land onto this page. Now simply enter your login or customer ID at this box and your password at the box below. Once done, enter the CAPTCHA shown and tap on to log in. You can also get logged into your account from debit card number. To do that, tap on debit card number, enter your debit card number, your ATM number, just solve the CAPTCHA, get an OTP and tap on to log in. And that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.